how to prepare a Café Americano using a double espresso in LIGRE nerd mode. Remove the portafilter by gently turning it to the left. Place it into the grinder's holder and let go. Grinding starts on its own. Meanwhile, you can place your cup or elegant glass under the hot water outlet to let in the hot water. Pull the left butterfly to start the hot water flow. Let as much water run into the cup as suits your preferred ratio. As a general guide, we recommend about 80 milliliters. In the meantime, the grinder has finished grinding. Remove the portafilter and level the surface of the ground coffee using the leveler. Then, tamp it straight, evenly, and with firm, consistent pressure. You can brush away any remaining coffee grounds with a barista brush. Now insert the portafilter into the brew group by turning it from a slight left angle towards the center until it locks into place. To start the brewing process, pull the center butterfly. The display shows 4 values. At the top, the water volume in milliliters, not to be confused with what ends up in the cup. Below that, current brew pressure, flow rate, and extraction time. As a reference, we recommend a flow rate of around 2 milliliters per second. For a double espresso, just under 80 milliliters of water should pass through the puck. Once the desired amount of water has passed through the puck, tilt the butterfly back to end the shot. Your Americano is now ready for you to enjoy.